Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today we're going to be talking about the CVS weekly ad from the dates July 9th through July 15th. So the first area that we're going to be looking at is in women's health and wellness. They have a spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks rewards. And it's going to be on several female health products such as Poise and Monistat, just to name a few. So if you have coupons for this, or this is something you need to stock up on, you may want to check out this promotion. Now, who doesn't want a gorgeous head of hair? Well, if you're in need of hair care, there is a buy one, get one 40% off on any Pantene, Pantene Gold, Pantene Generation Beauty, Old Spice, Head and Shoulders, Aussie, or Herbal Essence hair care. You can also buy two and get $4 in extra bucks rewards. Now, whenever you're doing these promotions, be sure to read the fine print. The offer has a limit of one per household. Next up, we have one of my favorites under the category seasonal photo toys and gifts, the gift cards. So this week in CVS, they have a spend 50, get $10 back in extra bucks rewards. And it's going to be on Fanatics fan gear, an IHOP gift card, or a Domino's gift card. You can choose from various denominations. But whatever you choose, make sure you choose wisely, because this offer also has a limit of one per household. If you're running low on batteries, there's a spend 15, get $3 in extra bucks rewards. And this is on any CVS batteries. So whether you need AA, AAA, or even the lithium batteries, you may want to check out this week's battery promotion. I'm seeing a common theme here, but this promotion also has a limit of one offer per household. This next promotion can be found in the grocery section. There's a mix and match, buy one, get one 50% off. Now this is going to be on vitamin water, Vita Coco coconut water, 1 liter, the alkaline 88 water, and that's in 101.4 ounces, sparkling ice 17 ounce, or Celsius in the 12 ounce. So with it being summer, this is a great way to make sure that you and your family stays hydrated. Let's take a look now at some candy promotions. So there is a 2 for $9 promotion going on for M&M sharing size, the Mars Minis, and the Kinder Bueno Minis. Now, if you feel like 2 is just too much chocolate for you, then if you only get one, it's going to be priced at $4.99 each. Next up, we're going to take a look at a shave and deodorant promotion. So for this promotion, it's going to be a mix and match. Buy one, get one 40% off. This includes Old Spice, Secret, Gillette deodorant, and it also includes the deodorant sprays. Now, this would not be a good CVS weekly ad video if we didn't take a close look at the oral care promotion. So in this week's ad, there's going to be a spend 15, get $7 in extra bucks rewards. So this includes Crest toothpaste, Oral-B toothbrushes, floss, Fixodent, Crest Clinical, whitening, gum, or advanced rinse. Now with this promotion, there is an offer limit of 2 per household. So you can do this promotion twice if you want to take advantage of the oral care deal for this week. Now for this next promotion, it's going to be in skin and sun care. If you've ever been sunburned or you've ever had sun poisoning, you realize the importance of taking advantage of this offer. So they're going to have a spend 15, get $3 in extra bucks rewards. And this includes any CVS Health Sun Care. So it looks like they've got some aloe vera gel, some after sun aloe vera, and some sunscreen spray. For our laundry care promotion, there's a spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks rewards. So this promotion includes Tide, Downy, and even Gain. So you want to check out some digital coupons that's going to be in your CVS app to lower your out-of-pocket cost. So if you need to stock up on laundry detergent, this is a good week to work this promotion. When you're in your CVS app, just look for the $1 digital for the liquid or the $3 digital for the Tide Pods. Our last promotion that we're going to talk about is going to be on drinks. So there's going to be a buy two, get one free for 12-pack. And this promotion also includes the 10-pack of mini drinks. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.